Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Storm Adventure Time, and my name is Storm, and today I am in York, which is a place I wanted to visit for quite a long time, but it's a little bit far from London for one-day trip, so I'm really excited. So right now I'm just on the city walls, which is one of the things which is very interesting about the city. So now let's go and explore it together. York looks absolutely gorgeous. Just I can see it behind me somewhere. There is York Minster, which we didn't go inside because it's over £10 per person, and we're kind of traveling on the budget. We have a few things where we plan to go and paying for tickets, but York Minster is not one of them. But there are so many free things to do, and it's so beautiful, the town itself, the city itself, and you just walk around and you see things like this all over the place. So I went to the museum gardens, which have St. Mary's Abbey ruins, and it looks so beautiful. You can just wander around, walk leisurely, and it's just so stunning. So let's go and explore this lovely, beautiful city more. Walking on the walls is such a lovely experience. It's so peaceful, and you can enjoy beautiful York views all the way around, and it's so unusual comparing to other cities when you go city walk on the streets or parks, trails and so on, and here you're walking on the walls. So it's, I think, quite a unique and interesting experience, which I really recommend if you are coming to York, because this is amazing. So now let's go, and now we're heading to the National Rail Museum, which is free. Unfortunately, a lot of places in York are chargeable, but we are going to National Rail Museum before heading back to Leeds for the last night. purpose of the bowl is take the trip on the bowl from Clifford Tower towards the train station, and you will have the most gorgeous views. Honestly, it's really stunning. Absolutely amazing museum. It's completely free. They have some demonstrations, talks, and all the trains. And honestly, I think that the ones which were at the beginning of the 20th century are the most beautiful ones. But of course, nowadays they're much faster. So yeah, beautiful trains, variety of them. And let's keep going. So that's it for today. York was absolutely amazing, and the National Railway Museum is just fantastic. It has so much to see, and still sitting in a cafe. It was a long day, and we will be heading back to Leeds for the last night, and tomorrow we will be heading to Manchester. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. See you!